Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I've been working on the front end. I put the 2-inch drop spindles, new ball joints, control arms and bushings. But I don't have the air joints in there, so I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow to get the store a few of those. Then I can reassemble the whole front end and put the wheels back on and so on. I have already put the air lines. I decided to put them through the frame so they won't be interfering anything or get heated up or so. And I also installed the LS motor mounts, and they were quite easy. Had to drill a few of those out, and they're the guide holes for this bracket, and then drill the last ones on and they are just bolt on set. And also I drilled out the old transmission mounts were about there, and then I drilled the rear leaf spring brackets away. Those are still here. I'm gonna measure the rear end by using the front ones, so that's why they are still in there, but they are gonna leave when I have the rear assembled and four-link welded on. But this is how this looks now. These are going through the old shock holes and then to the air tank in there. So tomorrow work continues. Bye bye.